In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Taggbox UGC Uploader for direct uploads. First, log into your Taggbox dashboard and go to your campaign or widget where you want to collect content. Once you're inside, look for the UGC Uploader option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll see a simple upload interface. This is where your audience or team can directly submit photos, videos, or posts without needing to connect social accounts. Next, customize your uploader settings. You can add a title, description, and even set content approval rules so nothing goes live without your review. After that, copy the unique upload link and share it on your website, email, or social media. Now anyone can submit content instantly, making your UGC collection faster and more organized. That's it. Super simple and powerful for collecting authentic content. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.